Morning students, welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, in our previous session we did chapter number 6, coins and currency, part 1. Teacher taught you in the previous session about coins. Today we are going to do chapter 6, coins and currency, part 2, okay, in which we are going to see today currency. Okay, in our previous session we did coins. Today we will do currency. So let us see the different types of currency that are used nowadays. Now see this. Tell me what is the value of this currency? Yes children, which note is this? It is a 10 rupee note. Okay, this is the front side and this is the behind side of the note. Okay, this is a 10 rupee note. Then this is one more 10 rupee note. Okay, you get in different types. You have 10 rupee. This is the front side and this is the back side. Okay, now this is 20 rupee note. Correct, the new one, the new 20 rupee note. This is the front side and this is the back side of the note. Okay, see, new 20 rupee note. Okay, then this is the old 20 rupee note. Okay, it is a old 20 rupee note. So we have 20 rupee note in two colors. Okay, one is old and one is new. Then this is 50 rupees note. Correct, it is a new 50 rupees note. Okay, and let us see now the old one. This is the old 50 rupees note. Okay, and this is, what is the value of this note children? 100 rupees. Correct, this is a old 100 rupee notes. Okay, and this is a new 100 rupee note. This is, see, this is the front side and this is the back side. Now whose picture is there on the currency note? Which leader picture? Mahatma Gandhi ji. Correct, it's a picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji on the notes. Okay, now this, which note is this? This is 200 notes. And now in previous time there were no 200 notes. Now new 200 note has started. First it was not there 200 notes. Okay, so now new 200 notes has been started. This is the front side and this is the back side of 200. Okay, now next, this is which note? Have you seen this note? Yes. Okay, which note is this? What is the value of this note? 500. Correct, this is the front side and this is the back side of the note of 500. Which note is this? Yes children, which note is this? Yes, it is a note of 2000. Okay, so what is the value of this note? Rupees 2000. Now children, which note, which currency are used? 100 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. Which currency? 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 100, 200, 500 and 2000. And which coins? 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay. Now, which coins or currency notes will you use to make up the given amount of money? Now, which coins or which currency notes will you use to make up the given amount of money? Now, see, the money is given, a note. Now, what is the value of that note? Yes, it is of 10 rupee note. Okay. Now, which coins or currency notes you will use to make up this 10 rupee note? Tell me. Yes, you will use one 5 rupee coin and one more 5 rupee coin. Correct. So 5 and 5. will be how much? 10. Correct. So 2 5 rupee coin will make a 10 rupee note. Okay. Now what is the value of this note? Yes, 20 rupees. So which amount we will use? Which coin or currency we will use? One 10 rupee note. Okay. Then one more 10 rupee note. Correct. Then now if we add 10 and 10, how much it will become? 20 rupees. Now if someone give you 20 rupee note and they will ask you for a change of 20 rupee note, so what you are going to give? 10 rupee note and one 10 rupee note. If you give, then it will become 20 rupees. Okay. One more 20 rupee. So now tell me what change you will give now. In the first 20 rupee you gave 10 rupee, two notes. Okay, so it became 20. Now again one more 20 rupees you have to give change for again 20 rupees. What you are going to give? Which coins or currency you are going to give? One 10 rupee note. Okay. One 5 rupee note. Okay. And then one more 5 rupee note. Okay. Now let us count whether it is 20. 10 plus 5 is how much? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct. Then 15 plus 5 will be how much? 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Correct. So one 10 rupee note and two 5 rupee note will make how much? 20 rupee. Correct. Now next. Now which note is this? What is the value of this note? Yes, 50 rupees. What is the value of this note? 50 rupees. Correct. So now tell me which coins or which currency you can use to make this 50 rupees. Yes children. 120 rupee note. Okay. 110 rupee note. Okay. And one more 20 rupee note. Okay. Let us count and see. 20 plus 20 is how much? 20 plus 20 is how much? 40. Correct. Because 2 plus 2 will be 4. And 40 plus this 10 will be how much? 50. Correct. That means 2 20 rupee note and one 10 rupee note will make 50 rupee note. Okay. Okay, one more 50 rupee note. Now tell me which currency or which coins you are going to use to make 50 rupee. Okay, one 10 rupee note. One more 10 rupee note. One more 10 rupee note. And again jumping one more 10 rupee note. And one more 10 rupee note. Let us count how many 10 rupee notes we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many 10 rupee note we are having? 5 10 rupee note. Correct? Now let us count and see whether it is 50 rupees. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. That means 5 10 rupees note will be 50 rupees. One more 50 rupee note. Now children, what you are going to use? Tell me which amount? Okay, 120 rupee. Then 110 rupee. Okay. One more 10 rupee. And one more 10 rupee. Now let us count and see whether it is coming to 50, 20, 30 and 30 plus 10, 40 and 40 plus 10, 50. Yes. So 120 rupee note and 3 10 rupee note will make how much? 50 rupees. Correct. Now we'll go to the next. 100 rupee note. Now tell me children, how you are going to make this 100 rupee note? Yes children? Okay, 150 rupee note, then 150 rupee note. That means there are 250. 50 plus 50 will be how much? 50 plus 50 will be 100. Correct. So 2 50 rupee note will make 100 rupees. How much? 250 rupee note will make 100 rupees. Let us see next. 100 again. Now tell me how you are going to make. The first we use 250 rupees. Okay. So now in the second, what amount of currency we are going to use? 120 rupee. One more 20 rupee. One more 20 rupee. One more 20. And here comes one again. So let us count how many 20 rupees we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are having total how many? 520 rupees. Correct? So let us count whether it total is coming to 100. 20 plus 20 is how much? 40. 40 plus 20 is how much? 60. 60 plus 20 is how much? 80. 80 plus 20 is how much? 100. Correct. That means 5 20 rupee note will make rupees 100. 5 20 rupees note will make 100 rupee note. Understood, children? 250 rupees note will also make 100. 520 rupee note will also make 100 rupees. Okay, now next. One more 100. Now think something else. What amount rather than that we used in the previous? We are not going to use the same. Tell me what other than that we are going to use. Yes, 150 rupee. Then 120 rupee. Okay. One more 20 rupee note. And one 10 rupee note. Okay, let us count whether its total is 100. 50. Then 50 plus 20. 70. 70 plus 20. 90. 90 plus 10. 100. Correct. That means 150 rupee note, 220 rupee note and 110 rupee note will make 100 rupees. I repeat, 150 rupee note, 220 rupee note and 110 rupee note will make 100 rupees. Okay. Now next. This is which note? 200 rupee note. Correct. Now how you are going to give the change of 2 rupee note? Okay, 100 rupee. Then one more 100 rupee. Okay, that means how many 100 rupee we are having? 1 and 2. That means 100 plus 100 will be 200. So if we take 200 rupee note, we going to get 200 rupee. Okay. Again one more 200 rupee note. Now children, tell me which notes you are going to use to make 200 rupee note. Yes children. Okay, 100 rupee note, 150 rupee note, correct. One more 50 rupee note. Okay. Now let us count. 100. 100 plus 50 will be 150. And 150 plus 50 will be correct 200. That means 100 rupee note and 250 rupee notes make 200 rupees. Understood? 100 rupee note and 250 rupee notes will make 200. 200 rupees note will also make 200. Oh, 500 rupees note. How you are going to children make 500 rupees note? Which coins or currency you are going to use? Okay, one 200 rupee note. Okay, one more 200 rupee note and one 100 rupee note. Okay, let us count and see. 200 plus 200 is how much? 2 plus 2 is 4. So 200 plus 200 is 400, and 400 plus 1 is 500. That means 200 rupees and 100 rupee notes will make 500 rupee. Next. Now tell me children, again 500 rupees. How you are going to make? Okay, 100 rupee. Okay, then one more 100 rupee. Okay, 100 again, 100 again, and one more 100. Let us count how many 100 we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, how many notes? 5. Let us count 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 100, 400 and 400 plus 100, 500. That means 100 rupees, 5 note will make rupees 500. Again one more 500. Now what change you are going to give? How you are going to give? Which coins or currency you are going to use? Let us see. Okay, one 200 rupee note, 100 rupee note, one more 100 rupee note, and one more 100 rupee note. That means how much? Let us calculate. 200 plus 100 will be 300. 300 plus 100, 400. 400 plus 1, 500. So, 200 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 100 will be 400, and 400 plus 1 will be 500. That means one 200 rupee note and 300 rupees note will make rupees 500. Now which note is this children? Yes, it is 2000 rupee note. Which note it is? It is 2000 rupee note. Now what change you are going to give? One 500, one more 500, one more 500, and here comes one more. Let us count how many 500s we are having. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 500 rupees note makes how much? 2000 rupees. Let us count. 500 plus 500 will be 1000. 1000 plus 500 will be 1500. And then we add more 500. It will become 2000. That means 4 500 notes will make 2000 rupees. Okay children, did you understood the lesson? Okay, now we finish with our coins and currency notes part 1 and part 2. Okay, till then keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next session with a new topic. Till then, bye. See you soon.